Okay, I've got mystery seedlings right there. Bunch of hostas coming up. There were some daffodils. Here's a garlic. I've got a pot of peas not growing yet. Carrots. Spinach. Violets. Peppers. Look at all those beautiful little peppers. This had something in it. I think it was a calla lily. I went to dig it out and found out it was alive. So it's going to be coming up. I have a whole bunch of mystery seedlings here that I have no idea what they are. And they could be cucumbers or pumpkins or gourds. Oh my. I have black prince, Cherokee purple, German queen tomatoes. Oh gosh, here's two more of those seedlings right there. Hey guys, I haven't seen you before. I have lots of dandelions, and I think I might pick the greens and make a pot of greens. More hostas. Bunch of daffodils and some iris, asparagus. Whole bunch more shy violet, and those are good medicinally. And here's a clematis that I thought died 2 years ago, and now it's coming out of it. Look how tall. I'm going to have to train that on something. The peony bushes have a lot of buds this year. That rose was dead last year, and now it's out. I've got purslane, or portulaca, which is really good medicinally, and I've got a bunch of purple nettle, dead nettle in there. We looked that one up the other day. I don't know what it is. It's not a begonia. There's some more roses. Another peony. This peony didn't even come up last year. Now look at it. And there's garlic. I think I'm going to plant sunflowers along this fence. I haven't decided whether or not to plant potatoes in all those buckets this year, or just to plant all these seedlings and see how many pumpkin plants I get. I just about can't wait until all these peppers take off. Okay, here's some more shy violet. And that's the garden update so far. Nice start to spring.